Izabela Kosmowska, Vision Quest Wellness, and I'm making a quick quiche this Sunday. I cut some potatoes, onions, and I saute them for 15-20 minutes with covered pan, and then I have some organic kale. I beat some 13 to 14 eggs, and before I put them on, I have some Ontario mozzarella. I'm going to put this on. You have salt, you have pepper, I have also cayenne, since we like the spice, and I just drop those eggs nicely. It looks great. And have this cook on top for maybe 5 minutes, and I have a preheated oven 365, and then we'll put this in the oven for another 15 minutes just to have the eggs cooked properly. Well, this is ready. The quiche is ready. So it actually was 10 minutes in the oven, not 15. We like the eggs a little bit soft, and so this is vegetarian dinner tonight, and I have microgreens I'm going to serve it with. So let's cut this. Well, if you have some eggs breaking, that's okay. That's the beauty of this dish. Okay. Sometimes it can be difficult, but it's okay. Practice makes perfect. Not everything can be great, right? But here we go. And I'm going to put some nice fresh organic parsley, and this is our dinner tonight. Enjoy!